Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. We have a very beautiful color, a mild peach and brown mixed color with orange as well in the pallu with beautiful block prints and zari lines. Same color, almost a rust. Very beautiful color this. Peach and rust mixed color. We also have the pink shades in the saree, top portion of the saree. You can see in the top here. A very mild pink shade as well with beautiful block printed design, a very different design, semicircle pattern on it. The borders of the semicircle we have block prints as well, beautiful one. We also have small blue prints, that is also a floral pattern running all over the saree. Excellent design, simply beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful sea blue color, mild green and blue mixed color pallu with very elegant semicircles pattern, block printed with zari lines, and same color pallu color blouse piece. And we have beautiful blue body. It's almost indigo blue in a darker shade. The same semicircles pattern in the border. The complete block printing is done using half weight here. Excellent one with floral prints here and there in the border. Very elegant one. The pallu color borders are given for the zari border also. Simple and beautiful saree here with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dark olive green color pallu with very elegant pink prints, rangoli pattern. Same color blouse piece, something between olive and the bottle green color. Beautiful shade of green it is with the vertical zari lines. The saree is in very elegant pastel grey, light grey color, beautiful one with the border design printed using the peach color, dark pinkish peach, and we also have the florals in the border. Very beautifully it's been done. You can see the multiple colors, peach and white as well as in the grey base. It's very beautiful with the yellow block prints all over the border. Excellent design, new and exclusive with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey saree. The complete saree is in beautiful grey, mild blue tinge grey it is. Same color pallu with block prints and zari lines in vertical way. Same way, the blouse piece is also in the same color with one side block prints in the border. A very elegant color, dark shade, and the prints is also very beautiful here. Vertical floral pattern printed using the very alternative colors, the yellow and dark peach. We also have the borders done using the dark pinkish peach color. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green shade, light turquoise green and pista mixed color. Very elegant one with yellow tinge, mild yellow tinge. You can see all over the pallu with block prints in pink and yellow. We also have zari lines in the pallu with same color blouse piece. You can see the beautiful yellow tinges here and there. Very pretty, beautiful exclusive collection. Complete sarees in the same green, and it's a beautiful green pastel shade, light green color with the prints in the 3/4 of the saree is completely a leaf design, black used for the printing, and we have the lower half with the beautiful Pochambali kind lotus and podi design printed. Excellent color, beautiful combination, very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with vertical zari lines, antique zari, very beautifully it's been given. Same color, plain blouse piece with one side green borders. The saree is very pretty, exclusive design, unique one, multicolored base, half white, dull finish half white with sandal mix, and on it we have all the colors spreaded on it. Very beautifully it's being done with the prints in the black. Very elegant one with the antique zari on the black base in the borders. Excellent collection with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dark shade color saree, dark grey, almost a bluish grey dark one with block prints as well as zari lines. Same color blouse piece with one side brown borders. The complete saree is in beautiful brown here, dark coffee brown, very elegant one. With the top as well as the bottom we have beautiful floral design printed, half white and yellow used for the printing, and we have the grey borders, dark grey borders for the zari border here. Excellently done, very unique design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu of yellow, mustard yellow and green shade for the pallu. Same green blouse piece with red borders, maroon border almost. Big checks design all over, maroon base color with the checks inside. This completely done using mustard yellow here, a beautiful color, and again the block prints are done using maroon. The borders of the saree is in green, 3 different colors, very elegantly used with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful purple and green in the vertical splittings in the pallu with same zari borders, same color, green color, Rama green shade blouse piece, very contrast one for the body. The body completely is in base, cream color, half white, and we have the very different pattern printed all over. Purple prints as well as the green and orange used for a printing, yellow, multiple colors are used, and the borders of the zari border is done on the base Rama green color. Excellent concept, very different exclusive piece with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful half white color with light blue tinge of dull half white with checked pattern, chessboard pattern in dark blue, Prussian blue color. Same color for the blouse piece with one side green borders. Very different concept for the pallu and the blouse piece. Completely contrast blouse piece it is, and the saree is in dark olive shade, beautiful color, and we have the fish motif, very famous design printed in the both side borders along with the zari borders. Zari borders are again in the olive shade itself. Very elegant color in collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green pallu with zari lines, same green blouse piece, plain blouse piece with the zari borders alone, running color concept. The body color is also green, the center part. On the top and bottom we have half white portion with the royal blue color printing, mango design and florals, and we also have the zari borders done on the green piece. Very elegant saree, combination is very pretty. Exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful red pallu, zari lines and zari borders in the pallu with same red blouse piece. Beautiful combo, red and half white, the very fast moving and very wanted beautiful combo. Completely cream, mild sandal tinge cream color, base Tassa color for the saree, plain one with the temple border and the zari border in the both sides. Very elegant one, red and cream combo with authentic silk.